If you want to speak English morning sentences, then watch till end.
मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ।
I wake up early in the morning. Repeat with me. I wake up early in the morning.
मैं अपना बिस्तर ठीक करता हूँ।
I make my bed. Repeat with me. I make my bed.
मैं खिड़की खोलता हूँ।
I open
द विंडो।
Repeat with me. I open the window.
मैं गहरी सांस लेता हूँ।
I take a deep breath. Repeat with me. I take a deep breath.
मैं अपना मुँह धोता हूँ।
I wash my face. Repeat with me. I wash my face.
मैं ब्रश करता हूँ।
I brush my teeth. Repeat with me. I brush my teeth.
मैं नहाता हूँ।
I take a bath. Repeat with me. I take a bath.
मैं साफ कपड़े पहनता हूँ।
I wear clean clothes. Repeat with me. I wear clean clothes.
मैं आईने में खुद को देखता हूँ। I look at myself in the mirror.
Repeat with me.
I look at myself in the mirror. मैं थोड़ी स्ट्रेचिंग करता हूँ। I do some stretching.
Repeat with me.
I do some stretching. मैं टहलने जाता हूँ। I go for a walk.
Repeat with me.
I go for a walk. मैं पक्षियों की आवाज़ सुनता हूँ। I listen to
Birds. Repeat with me.
I listen to birds.
मैं पार्क जाता हूँ। I go to the park. Repeat with me. I go to the park. मैं योग करता हूँ। I do yoga. Repeat with me. I do yoga. मैं भगवान को याद करता हूँ। I pray to God. Repeat with me. I pray to God. मैं मोबाइल चेक करता हूँ। I check my phone. Repeat with me. I check my phone. मैं अपना बैग तैयार करता हूँ। I pack my bag. Repeat with me. I pack my bag. मैं नाश्ता करता हूँ। I have breakfast. Repeat with me. I have breakfast. मैं चाय पीता हूँ। I drink tea. Repeat with me. I drink tea. मैं अपने माता पिता से बात करता हूँ। I talk to my parents. Repeat with me. I talk to my parents. मैं अपने जूते पहनता हूँ। I wear my shoes. Repeat with me. I wear my shoes. मैं घर से बाहर निकलता हूँ। I leave home. Repeat with me. I leave home. मैं स्कूल या काम के लिए निकलता हूँ। I go to school or work. Repeat with me. I go to school or work. मैं बस का इंतजार करता हूँ। I wait for the bus. Repeat with me. I wait for the bus. मैं सड़क पार करता हूँ। I cross the road. Repeat with me. I cross the road. मैं दोस्तों से मिलता हूँ। I meet my friends. Repeat with me. I meet my friends. मैं क्लास में बैठता हूँ। I sit in class. Repeat with me. I sit in class. मैं ध्यान से सुनता हूँ। I listen carefully. Repeat with me. I listen carefully. मैं नोट्स लिखता हूँ। I write notes. Repeat with me. I write notes. मैं मेहनत करता हूँ। I work hard. Repeat with me. I work hard. मैं खुद पर विश्वास करता हूँ। I believe in myself. Repeat with me. I believe in myself. मैं मुस्कुराता हूँ। I smile. Repeat with me. I smile. मैं सकारात्मक सोचता हूँ। I think positive. Repeat with me. I think positive. मैं अपने सपनों को याद करता हूँ। I remember my dreams. Repeat with me. I remember my dreams. मैं आगे बढ़ने का फैसला करता हूँ। I decide to move forward. Repeat with me. I decide to move forward. मैं हार नहीं मानता। I never give up. Repeat with me. I never give up. मैं हर दिन सीखता हूँ। I learn every day. Repeat with me. I learn every day. मैं खुद को बेहतर बनाता हूँ। I improve myself. Repeat with me. I improve myself. नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें।